Dito pala kami sa Dongaw. Ayan. Sumakay nandito. Mga kubo-kubo. Ay, magandang hapon mga Lods. Siyempre dito tayo sa recognition ni Kas dito sa Barangay Panubigan. Siyempre kasama ko si Maring Insot. Yan. Ganda. Diba? Diba? Nakamayo si Mario. Kasama kasi malugas na. Ang mulog sa SS ko ano lang, 54 lang. 96 dapat eh. Kasi 80s.
With honors. Ashley Marie O. Cacomanes with honors in Conduct Award. With honors and Conduct Award.
Matthew E. Dorsilon, Sika Qualifier, Boxing Boys. Cheryl B. Escalante, Conduct Awardee. General B. Honorario, with honors.
With honors.
Di ba kita? Siya nakita.
Malaki Cassandra Church, with honors and Conduct Awardee. Thomas Kristen Lee Mena Bethany B. with honors and Conduct Awardee.
Manok-manok lang.
radyo, anong...
For people like us living away from the north and the south coast of the earth, the size of a rainbow is enough.
Sorry, present. Tan John Grisel B.
Assurance that we are learned about everything. Much more, labeling is offensive. We still can draw and gaze together and learn together in various ways. A student like you is awarded by your child, but learning doesn't end after the awarding, as education never ends. As of now, let me congratulate you, young learners. You strived the hardest way to reciprocate your parents, benefactors, and guardians' love and tireless efforts in sending you to school. Likewise, inspiring yourselves to pursue your dreams of what you should be when you are no longer under the mantle of your home. May mga pangandoy ba mo? Very good. Padayon na. May I give a mountain and more to every student here for sending yourself to school in spite of the oblivions in your life. Life is not a bed of roses, but you can make your own bed of roses. Keep up. Never surrender. Come what may, go to school. You will still find ways to pursue your dreams, though you are striving alone. Wala ko'y mama, wala'y papa, wala'y pariente ko pa eskwela na ko. Magmino na lang ako. Mao ba na? Dili, ha? So katong nag-inusara, naningkamot, na maka-eskwela kada adlaw, maayo kaayo inyong gibuhat. Go on. I said, Hampton or more is yours. Dear parents, benefactors, guardian, you deserve countless recognition beyond medals, ribbons, and certificates. As these students here who are awarded wouldn't be what they are now without you at the background. Gapaluyo rin mo ang nila. Dahil maingon yung ubang bata. Nasakripisyo si mama para na ako. Lahat yan sila nasakripisyo. Kaya ilangan ang obligasyon pa eskwelahon mo. Di na sila mo sacrifice because they look at it as their obligation. They don't want somebody lang hindi mo kitabangan. They are not sacrificing, they love Him. Gihigugma man nila. So congratulations sa tanan ng suporta sa inyo. Once Jesus Christ said, "Give to Caesar what is due to Caesar, and to God what is due to God." Everyone here is given that most praise for successfully garnering the title Cream of the Crop. Kamu ang pinaka-best. Sa curricular o sa co-curricular, kamu ang pinaka-best. Pero yung kalimot nga ang uban, naulahilan ilang best, nauna lang mo. May God bestow the summer of the endeavors to earn your good grades, worthy of the recognition each one is achieving now. In behalf of the GBC-NHS, your trusted father of secondary education, may I extend our heartfelt gratitude for letting us make a difference in you, in your family, and the whole community in return. Inspired and challenged by the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. Let us all chase our rainbows together and be an aurora to inspire and influence everyone from all walks of life. Congratulations.
Let's put our hands together again for Ma'am Rosa Villarciso. Thank you, Ma'am.
Now, let's welcome our school principal one, Ma'am Chirina C. Arquilita, for some announcements.
Before we will close this momentous occasion, I bring some important announcement. For those students who didn't receive their togas yet, grade 12 students particularly, just clap your hands because the office made an effort through the effort of our principal, Ma'am Chirina Arquilita, nasulbat na siya. So, katuwa na yung mga tuga, makadawat na tuga Monday morning. Remember, Monday morning. Thank you. To our esteemed guests, Ma'am Narciso, our school principal one, Ma'am Chirina Arquilita, honored faculty, members, the proud parents, and more importantly, the grade 11 to grade 12 awardees. What a remarkable journey we have shared. Today, we celebrate not just an end, but a magnificent beginning. Go forth with confidence, courage, and compassion. Congratulations to all of you, class awardee of the school year 2024-2025. May your path be filled with success, joy, and fulfillment. Let the memories we've made at Jose de Cardenas Memorial High School serve a constant source of inspiration and strength. Thank you, and God bless.
Again, let's all give Jeremy a round of applause. Thank you, sir.
with those
And cheers the Catholics for the next chapter in our students' journey.
May today's recognition fuel your passion and inspire you to leave a mark on the world. Once again, this is Franklin P.T. Mama.
And this is Johnson Gray and De Los Santos. Living in this code, you have a dream that needs to be conquered.
Failure is never a barrier. It only makes you stronger.
Shine on! Jose Peter Dennis Memorial High School Senior High School Department. Mabuhay!
Uy, may kuy.
Cool. Dalong lagi lang.
Saan?
Ito to
Sa baba? Parang kubo-kubo pala to. Wala na, coach.
Dito to tali.
May posporo pa ha. Dito pala kami sa Dongaw. Ayan. Sumakay nandito. Mga kubo-kubo. Mahulog ka?
Oh, swimming pool na gali oh. Limtan.
Walang tubig. I love Dongaw. Dito lang. Doon tayo. Lalayo pa. Sige na.
Ako ang cord silong.
Ano nga? Ulit ito. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Diyan lang. Walag lag ka dito. At lang tinawag na Dongaw.
Ang iba nagamba sila nga. Malilit ko kaya dito. Dahil nakabla sila.
Ano mo pa?
Hindi ko alam.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Relax ba?
Madagdag.
Hambal.
So today guys, ay ko sa Dongaw.
Take two. Hindi na today. Sige. So karon guys,
Karon guys, ari ko di sa Dongaw. Kami.
Anong order mo?
Arang strawberry milk kag corn syrup.
Namin na.
Oo. Tara.
Ang halo-halo. Sa atin ba yan? Talaga? Ano to? Spaghetti lang.
May free.
Ang dami yung pansit.
Ma-free.
Ano order mo, Lord?
Corn syrup.
As usual. Ito.
Gagi ka uy, daw pang egg yun.
Siyempre kain na tayo. Dami naman ito. Ayaw nyo ng pansit? Ayaw nyo?
Gusto.
Ayaw nyo?
Gusto.
Ang dami ito. Ayaw nyo?
Gusto. Ito ka tahaluan mo yun. Taalo.
Ako ang pansit ito. Kas. Ito plato.
Hindi na. Hindi na lang po.
Diyan na.
I shot. May ice cream.
Ito.
Yan eh.
May extra plate ah. May pagkahigpit naman lang ano nila. Ng kutsara at tinidor.
Saka init. Init. Ouch.
Ano lahat? Ayan. Ito blaron ba?
Ay, nagkakaburan.
Ha? Kalamansi, kalamansi.
Apa?
Ikaw? Kalamansi, kalamansi. Parang kulay lang akin ka. Napaka-anas, ang dami. Dito lang yan sa Dungaw. Kaya pala Dungaw kasi kailangan mong dungawin yung anong order mo.
Duaw ta sa dungaw. May ilang nga tagline. Ay, dede. Tara, duaw sa dungaw. Ilang nga...
Kaya pala pa dungudo ko kami doon. Saan kayo? Tapos wala pang ilaw.
Lama ko ito. Ito ilang gawin yung duwa. Ito mga gorgeous ni Pagod. May nila siya.
Na-order nyo, di ba ito lang order natin?
Oo, ito ilang yung duwa.
Mga kasama na. Sa meal, di ba?
Teka kay
Ito yung ginisang gulay. Ginisan na yung gulay.
Silog-silog ang Charlotte, yaw.
Siyempre nagdungaw na tayo. Okay na. Dungaw sa dungaw.
Mas bulos lang ha.
Dahil dyan, tapos na kami. Uwi na. Bye-bye.